Okay, so Grandma Z here. This is take 4 of a very traumatic experience, trying to do a night sounds walk. So day 1, here I'll turn it around so I can talk to you. Let's see. So, I don't know if you can even see me, but it has been so hot today. So day 1, which was 2 nights ago, I went out, but I forgot, I didn't forget, I just didn't even think about it. I didn't put on bug spray and I was wearing sandals. So that was a huge mistake. And it was so dark that the camera couldn't see anything. So that was another huge mistake. So that was take 1. Take 2, last night I remembered boots and I put on a natural bug repellent. So that started out okay, and then I got eaten alive. So today after work, I went and got Deep Woods off, and so I have Deep Woods off, and I'm going to turn you back around. Whoops, you probably just saw my hand. And I'm wearing my boots, so all seems well. Well, I walked up on the top of the hill to listen for stuff on the hill, and I got a tick on me, so that grossed me out. So I went back in. So this is take 4. So let me tell you, a night sounds walk is what your dad, your Uncle Will, and your Uncle Luke and I would go on. And it would be right before bed, and we'd take a quiet walk around the neighborhood, and we'd stop and listen to see what we could hear. And so we're going to do that here. But I'm going to stay on the mowed lawn. And you're going to hear things like traffic. And you're going to hear things like dogs. And we even have a next door neighbor dog. You might hear voices. And we're going to walk around the pond. Ooh, and you might hear birds. Okay, so let me just see. I'm going to stop talking. And we're going to walk around the pond. And let's see what we can hear on our night sounds walk. Deep Woods off does not work. Oh, do you hear those? I call them the summer bugs. Hear 'em? I think the birds are having their last conversations before settling in. Let's see if I can walk without falling. Are these the kind of sounds you hear when you're laying on your bed with your windows open? You listen for your chickens and your guinea hen neighbors. Can you hear the rustling of the wind through the trees? Or the rustling of the leaves? I don't know what you're hearing. That breeze feels good. All right, this comes to the end. We're at the end of our Night Sounds walk. I hope you think about that the next time you're in bed and the windows are open and it's all nice and quiet. Listen for all of the sounds that you hear. I love you guys.